Hi friends, this is Najam with you once again. Sometime what happens that you're busy working on some particular projects and you keep opening different tabs. Like in this case, you can notice that my Chrome has more than 30 tabs open here, right? So let's say you have to restart your laptop for some reason, or sometime you have to leave and you don't want to keep them at all the tabs open like that. What you want to actually merge all of these tabs into one particular URL. So whenever you need these tabs opened again like that, you can do so. So what you need to do is just to, first of all, you have to install an extension called OneTab Chrome extension. Once it is installed in your computer, by the way, I have copied the link of this particular Chrome extension in the description of this video below. So you can actually download it from there, and once it is installed in your Chrome, and if you want all of these open tab to be combined into just one shareable file or shareable link, so what you can do, just click on this OneTab. So what you will notice, as I click on this OneTab, all of these open tab, like there were more than almost 47 tabs were there, by the way, they are now available here, right? So what I can do, okay, total the tabs for this particular window are 38 tabs. So they are, see, like if you want to restore them one by one, so there's a possibility that I can click on it and this particular tab will be restored. But sometime what I want all of these links to be available with me, or if I want to share it with somebody else. So there's a link available called share as web page. I can click on it and this will make a particular URL with all those links available on this page. It's here now, so I can copy this link and actually I can send it to somebody via email or via SMS or via WhatsApp message, right? So this is the best way in order to bookmark all of your pages in just one particular file, or sometime if you want them again, then you just need to click restore all, so all of your pages will be open once again. So hope you find this tool quite helpful. Thank you very much and bye for now.